Aw, how cute. Mo and Jack playing together.
Oh my goodness, that's a pretty good video.
Mo is the white. Mo is the white dog.
Hey, come and look at this video that Will's doing. We're gonna post this one on YouTube.
Mo is the white one.
Jack
is the black one. And they're having a battle. I'm sort of cheering for Jack, even though Mo's my dog. I like him. He's got a mohawk, if you can see. Oh, now he wants to.
That's a good video.
I don't know if you can see the mohawk. Did you see it?
So, here's bag cheese.
I have no idea if you can see the mohawk on Jack, but he has a little mohawk, and it makes him look so cute. Look, I don't know if you can see it, to be honest, but it's somewhere down there. See? It's that thing's just dipping. Okay, it's really hard to see, but who cares? Oh, Jack's got Mo down. Jack's got Mo down. Jack's got Mo down. Oh, Mo's getting up. Oh my God, Mo's pushing Jack. Mo's bigger, so it's more likely she's gonna win. Oh, they break. They pause. They pause. Now watch this. Okay, Mo does that. Okay, Jackie, this is halftime. You can do this. See his mohawk? You can do it! You can do it! Yeah, get a butt. Yeah. 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 You can do it! You can do it. What? Jeez, that's my little sister. You can do it! You can do it! Oh yeah, Moe.
Look at Jack's humping her.
And Jack is just humping her. Mo doesn't like it. I was like, come on, I'm a big girl. Get off of me. Oh, now they're getting serious. Jeez, Jack is pretty good for a small dude like him. He's like 3 months or 2 months. No, he's like 4 months or something. And he's pretty big. Wow. Oh, he comes running on the outside. Oh, where's Jackie?
You have to step back a bit, Willie, so you can see it all.
Hey, yeah.
Every once in a while they take a break and then they
Yeah.
go at it again.
They show their teeth to each other. That's a little. They're like, eh, look at my teeth. It's funny. Oh, they take a break. Okay, Jackie, you can do this. You can do this. You can do it! I don't know why I keep saying it. But, yeah. Oh, Moe's bedded on the ground. Same for Jackie. Same for Jack. I just call him Jackie. His name is Jack. Jack! Jack, 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 Jack! Oh. Okay, it looks like Jack's got Mo down right now. Just gonna end the video, and they had a tie. To be honest. They had to. Oh wait, Jack got her. Jack wins. Now Jack wins actually. Jack wins. Oh my God. The dog's bigger, but Jack won. No. Yep. Jack won. Oh my God. How did he even win? Okay, that doesn't count. Oh no. No. Okay, Jack, yeah, he had her down. Yep. Jack wins. Jack wins.